One of the questions that I have got, it's a really good one. The question is, how do I avoid shadows hitting the wall when I'm shooting, on the background when I'm shooting? That's a great question. There are two ways of doing this. So one way, the easiest way, is to move your subject away from the wall. Move your subject away from the wall. Okay, so the light will not travel and hit the wall. That is the easiest way to do this. But there's another way too. See, if you look at the inverse square law, right? So if you move your light closer to your subject, so the light's not going to travel as far to hit the wall, because you have to decrease. If you move the light closer to your subject, you have to decrease the power of the light. So the less power, the less it will travel. Okay, so that will not hit the wall, should not hit the wall. Okay, so two ways of doing this. One is to move the subject away from the wall, and another one, move the light closer to the wall, so closer to the subject, closer to the subject, so you can decrease the flash power, and the light will not hit, the fall off will be faster, will not hit the wall.